First of all, what we want to do is strap this duct up first, so then I can work out the length that it needs to be to get to this position before I can cut. I've got my strap here, and all we need to do is over the roof timber, pull it down, grab our duct and pretty much pass it through it. So the height that I want to sort of work through is the height of this, so we want it to sort of match through. It doesn't have to be level or anything, just a clean straight run. So roughly about yay high. Looks quite good. So I'll cut that at that point with our snip. I'll knot that up. That's nice and secure there. It's not going to collapse or anything like that. Then from this point, I'll probably turn this fitting just slightly like that. I know that that position is roughly about there. I'll cut that duct. All right, next one, we'll connect up the next duct. Okay, so now I can pretty much work out where I need to cut it. Okay, so we're ready to tape our connections. So this damper we're going to put in a full open position. It allows for a longer length of ducting. This one here will probably open at about halfway and then we'll work off that point. Okay. So again, we'll start off putting a little bit of tape on here. It's all good. We'll do the same thing on this end. All right, so that's all connected now. We can continue strapping it all. So I'll probably start off with strapping this fitting up. All right, so right now we still got some sag. So if we only strap this point, what you're gonna find over time with that zone, the weight of the zone is gonna pull that strap. So we also need to put some more strap on what's coming out here, up here, on this end as well. So we'll keep on going. So I'll have another one on this end. Might need to do something like this over here. I'll have one extra one over here. So right now, we can see that it's all pretty straight, so nice clean runs, nice clean swoops. There's no hard bends, and the air's going to flow through really well.